Hi, Storybird.com is a wonderful program that teaches children how to write stories in a way that they can create their own. To begin a story, they have to have logins created by their teacher. You give them a class code that is generated by the program. They enter that code and they join your classroom. As you can see, I have 329 students that have created 1,759 books. They love this program. They do it at home. So to create a story, click Create. You can give them challenges. You could have them search by anything you want. I'll say spring theme. And then they find a set of pictures they like. When you find this picture, look and see how many pictures are offered to you. If there's only 6 offered, you're not going to get a very long story. I have 70 options in this group of pictures, so I'm going to click Use this artwork, and you can choose to do a multi-chapter book, multi-page book, or poems. I would like to do a picture book. It's most popular in my building. Now we add a page by clicking the plus sign. You can drag and drop a picture on different parts of the page depending on what you want your page to look like. And those are the options. And then you type in this area. Now before you can close, you have to name your story. The Girl and the Cats. And let's put a capital on girl. There we go. Now click Save and Exit. Save and Exit. Now, my story is not finished yet, so I'm going to click My Story Isn't Finished Yet. And then you would click Go to Dashboard. If you're done, you can see my settings are set to private. Only the students that are in my classroom can see my students' work. That is for their own safety. I do teach K through 5. So I will click My Story Isn't Finished Yet and go to Dashboard. And then if I want to come back to it, you go to Picture Books. And this is where you'll eventually find your story. You can add things to a bookshelf, or you can create a new story. This is my version of Storybird. I hope you enjoyed. Try it out sometime.